don't know how I know that's your second.
So you're not that hungry?
Yeah, I'm wicked hungry.
Nope.
What?
Oh, you guys are eating.
It seems like you're taking a
Alright. Why?
Daddy,
Yes, on.
can you put my phone in your pocket?
Yeah.
I forgot I was holding my phone.
Where'd Josh
I don't
go?
know how, but I just
He's
forgot
over there.
I was holding my phone.
What?
This water is freezing.
I told you it was going to be cold.
Daddy,
What?
come on.
What? Maybe it's cold.
Come on, it's cold.
Yeah, it is kind of chilly.
Pull my pants up.
You guys can throw some rocks in and stuff.
Oh, my feet are freezing.
They are.
Come on in. Daddy.
I just went in. It's cold.
I know. Can you?
How are you cold? You go surfing in the winter.
I know.
Me?
What are you going to be scared of?
I might fall off.
You won't
Help
fall.
me.
Here, now come up.
I'm scared. I have socks on.
You're okay. So you got it.
This is somebody's outfit.
Somebody's what?
Stand. This is
Let me
somebody's.
see Owen.
Go.
Yeah, you can go.
I go first. No.
Josh and Lexi, let the little girl go. Don't be rude.
Wait, Daddy, I can do it better than that. What's this?
You know, that's the way you